Hello, I am Ajit Nair and I am representing ProArc Welding and Cutting Systems. Today at Imtex we are displaying 4 machines, out of which the first machine is a plate processing machine. This is a new machine which has been innovated by ProArc. We are having a beveling system here and we are also clubbing it with a drilling system. This is a first of a kind machine that we have made here. In Imtex 2012 we had actually displayed a machine with a bevel head, but that was an imported bevel head. Here at this Imtex we have developed the bevel head, which we have actually developed it indigenously. So this machine that you have here has a plasma system from Kelberg. It's a Smart Focus 300 plasma system and can cut up to 80 mm with a piercing capacity of 40 mm thickness. For the bevel head we have a 6-axis controller which can cut different types of bevels like your K bevel, double V, single V bevel, Y bevels and A bevels. The bevel angles that are possible on this thing are up to 55 degrees, and the drilling head that you see here is having a automatic tool changer, and it has a pneumatic clamping system. We have used a BT30 drill head here for drilling a maximum diameter of 25 mm on a thickness of 50 mm. This bevel head that you see here is actually indigenously manufactured by us. In the Imtex of 2012 we had actually displayed a machine with a rotary bevel, but that was with a bevel head that we had imported, and with our R&D we have been able to develop a bevel head in India at a really low cost. The machine that we are supplying is generally, this kind of machine is generally useful for pre-engineering building and structural work where they have a lot of drilling and they want to club it with plasma cutting. Alternatively, these machines are also very useful for process equipment, for pressure vessel industry, for the shipbuilding and also for windmill towers. We invite you to our works to understand more in detail about this machine. Thank you.